Hello everyone, today I want to show you this super fun remote control dinosaur toy, and honestly kids are going to love it. The set includes a large interactive remote controlled dinosaur, a remote control, a USB charging cable, additional accessories, trees and rocks, dinosaur figures, a screwdriver and a small water bottle. The dinosaur is quite large, sturdy, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. It runs on a rechargeable battery that is charged via USB, which is very convenient. This is a truly very cool and interesting toy set for kids, especially for those who love dinosaurs. The dinosaur looks quite realistic. It has large 3D eyes, a bright design, and detailed features. It can walk forward and backward, turn left and right, move its tail and head, and open and close its mouth. One of the most impressive features is the water functions. You can fill the dinosaur with water and it releases steam from its mouth. While moving, the dinosaur also makes sounds which adds to the atmosphere and makes the play more lively. There is also a demo mode that showcases all of its functions. It is a really great gift option for children. This toy is not only entertaining but also helps develop creativity, imagination, and interest in dinosaurs. I highly recommend it.